Market daily visualization from Tortoise Capital for June 16th, 2026. So adjust the daily price. Low, high, the and the target 5-day low box and the 5-day low, 10-day back, 10-day high, 5-day high, heavy regression. The period estimate projection still good. The 20-day length regression, third period breaks, third period low. 150-day, 120-day lag 30, 150-day going down here, some right there. Chaos with it. 10 price recovering. The big gap up, that's what gets sustainable. Expecting to meet near the 30s May. 745 is indicated.